Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your YouTube subscriptions visible to the channels you're subscribed to. This way, the channels can see that you're subscribed to them, whether it's for engagement, recognition, or just to show support. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on View Channel next to your channel name. Once you're on your channel page, find and tap the edit icon. In the account settings, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option called Keep All My Subscriptions Private. To make your subscriptions public, just switch the toggle to off. And that's it. Now, the channels you're subscribed to can see that you're following them. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. See you soon!